the sun flare that I bought. A friend of mine suggested I buy it because I would always complain every time I went to the beach, and the fire pits were always crowded and you always had to bring charcoal and all that stuff, and he suggested that I get the sun flare because you don't need any fire. So I bought the deluxe sun flare, which, as you can see, I already set up. It's very easy to set up. And then today I'm gonna make some chicken. Hopefully you can see that. And I also have some rice in here. I don't want to tip it over because you'll see it. I mean, it'll spill. So it's very simple. You just put it in there. Now make sure after it cooks that you get something to grab it with, because it gets extremely hot very quickly. So as you can see, I just put it in there and just let it. And then what you do is you zip it up and you just let it cook. I actually bought it for the beach and for hiking, but I've actually been using it at home too in the back because it actually saves me money from using gas. Okay, so it's been about 45 minutes and I want to show you guys the rice. Ow. That gets hot very quickly. So I don't know if you can see, that's the rice, and the chicken is still cooking in there. So anyway, that's my review of the sun flare. It is awesome. I recommend it, especially if you want to save money.
This is the PowerLite Mini, a portable light that does the work of a personal lantern, bike light, and phone charger, so you can do more with less. BioLite Edge lighting packs big light and battery life into a small and compact space. The result? An incredibly portable lantern that doubles as a hands-free headlamp alternative, so no more blinding your friends at the campsite. Rotate the clip stand out and use the Mini anywhere. Tabletops, trees, and tents. The Mini features 4 lighting modes: white lantern, red night, red and white strobe, and a point light for maximum visibility. Lantern mode is dimmable at the touch of a button. And you can put that strobe mode to good use on your next bike ride. The USB rechargeable battery provides up to 52 hours of light or a power boost to your phone. The Mini is available in 4 colors. See, be seen, be charged with the BioLite PowerLite Mini.
It's WORX season. Get the WORX Turbine 600 blower with revolutionary power. Unlike ordinary blowers, Turbine 600 uses patented jet engine technology to generate extreme blowing force. The WORX Turbine 600 is up to twice as fast as leading brand gas blowers and is half the price. big jet turbine power in a compact, lightweight blower. Visit WORXturbine.com to see why it's the fastest way to clear your yard. It's always work season. Get yours today.